okay. You are present in the class. You are audible also. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I hope,
morning, ma'am.
yeah, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you
Good
all are
morning.
ready for today's
Good morning,
CET.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So now listen the instructions. All the questions you have to do in the notebook also, and you have to attempt the answer in the Google form also, right? And after completing into the notebook, you have to click the picture and send it to me in the assignments. I will post the comment in the classroom, then you have to send me the work in the classroom. Attach your work there in the assignments. And one more thing, when there is will be a question to draw a circle, in that case, what you have to write in the answer in the Google form, you only have to write done. That's it. And then you have to do this. Children, please no messages. And then you have to do that drawing also in the notebook, because in drawing circle you will not able to draw it into the Google form. So in that answer you have to write done, DONE, right? Okay, so now I'm going to paste the link in the chat box.
Can you explain one more time, ma'am?
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, we will write done in notebook.
No, only write done. So
Ma'am, where we have to write down?
I will let you know, my dear Vivan. Okay, I will paste the link in the chat box. Please go to the link, open this. You will able to understand how to write the answer, where to write the done. When you write the answer, there is a blank given in that. When you draw, right in the question, draw a circle, there will be a text line will be given. You have to write only done. I will present the form also on my screen. Everyone got my link? Show me thumbs up. Children, please show me thumbs up if you got my link. Very good. Start doing, and you all know that you have to do it in the notebook also and in the Google form also. Don't write all the options in the notebook, only write the correct answer in the notebook. Question also, and then write only the correct answer in the notebook, not all the options in the notebook. I'm going to present the Google form on my screen. I'm going to present the link in my classroom also.
Ma'am, the link is not opening.
Go to the classroom.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm saying that there are few questions which we can say orally. So we
No,
have.
that you have to pick the answer orally, and but you have to write that question and answer both in the notebook also.
Okay, in the notebook also.
Yes. Yes,
We have to
Vivan.
send that also.
Vivan, I'm going to give the instructions again. You have to, you got the link, Vivan? Vivan Patel, you got
Yes,
the
ma'am.
link? Yes. You have to write the question in your notebook and write only the final answer in your notebook. And click the final answer in your Google form also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And
I
when
have
there
a
is,
doubt.
wait, Prisha. And when there is a question of draw a circle of the given radius, draw in the notebook and write done.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that in the question C, there is written the length from center of circle to its boundary is called. So we have the 2 points we have to touch of the boundary you are telling, or the 1 point.
1 point only.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, we had to write only answers or question also.
Question also.
Please give a link again.
Yes, I will share the link again in the chat box. Please go to the classroom also. Link is there in the classroom also. Link is shared. Please check the chat box. And I'm going to present the Google form. Please check here. Lama, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, ma'am. Children, only you have to write your full name and then start attempting the form. A, B, C. In the C question, the length from center of circle to its boundary is called what? You have to write it.
Ma'am, I
Diam-
have no doubt in D.
Diameter is what times the radius? I will not tell the answer. Diameter is what times the radius? The 5, 4, 3 or 2? What is the length of boundary of a circle called? Line joining two points of a circle is called what? The longest chord of the circle is called what? Choose the correct relationship formula. D equals to 2 into R equals to 2 into D, or D equals to R. Radius is half of what? If the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter, then its radius will be what? If the radius of a circle is 4 centimeter, then its diameter will be what? You have to write the answer. Find the chord in the given figure. Let me complete.
Excuse me, ma'am. In the second last and the last, we have to draw in the notebook. So I draw it in my notebook, but I submitted also. But it is coming that you have to do.
My dear, but I have told you know that you have to write done in that answer.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
D-O-N-E, you have to write after doing the last two questions. You have to write in the text line, you have to write done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written D-O-N-E, all letters capital. So it is showing all letters small or.
So okay, I will accept it. I will check it manually.
Yes,
Ma'am,
we have to
Yes,
send
Rudra.
the work.
No need to send it again. I will check it manually. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am,
in
Yes,
that
send me
question,
the
if
notebook work.
of a circle is 14 centimeter, so we have to write only answer or
Ma'am,
answer
you have
and
to write
centimeter.
You have to write the answer with the formula.
And
Find
Ma'am,
the answer with the formula.
ma'am, if the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter in that question,
Yes, find the radius.
yes, so in that we have to write the radius
Only
and
answer. Only simple answer. No need to write radius equals to this or diameter equals to this. No.
I'm not thinking that. I have to write only answer or answer and centimeter.
No, only the answer with the centimeter. Like 5 centimeter, so write 5 centimeter. If 6 centimeter, write 6 centimeter. Only the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to write question and answer in our notebook also.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And click picture and send it to me in my assignments. I'm going to post the work in the assignments. Yes?
Right now we have to do in form.
Yes. Both side by side. In notebook also, in Google Form also. I'm going to post the work in the assignment that you have to attach your work. Please attach your work there.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me, my dear.
Ma'am, I was removed from the meeting for 5 to 10 minutes. So, ma'am, I'm confused in one question.
Yeah. Tell me which question.
Draw a circle of, I'm drawing the circle in my notebook. But, ma'am, I'm confused that do we have to write it?
Write done in the text line given in your Google form.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Write done. D-O-N-E.
ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am,
Ma'am.
All letter cap
ma'am,
small.
ma'am, in a Google form, ma'am, in a Google form,
Ma'am.
there is
Children,
class
if you all speak
attendance.
together, I will not able to answer even a single child.
Ma'am, I just want to ask that I will write only the question number like A, B. These are the question numbers.
Yes, Rihan, question plus answers.
Yes.
करके वापस सब कुछ कर मेहनत भी करके
Yes,
वापस
Vedi.
करना पड़ेगा
Yes, Vedi, any question?
Mohit, switch off your mic.
Vedi,
Okay,
any
ma'am.
query?
No, ma'am.
Then switch off your mic. Mohit, yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes, Jishna.
we have to write all the questions in the notebook.
Children, why are you all asking the same thing as I mentioned clearly? Yes, you have to solve all the questions with the answers in your notebook also.
मैम
Yes, Mohit.
मैम the notebook work should be done
No, I have
in
done.
a Google form.
Yes, attempt the answer in the Google form also. You got the Google form link, Mohit?
Yes.
Yes, attempt the answers in the Google form also.
Okay.
कैपिटल मिलता है वो गलत है
मैम मैंने स्पेलिंग भी
रेनू मैम
रेनू मैम
Ma'am, it's okay. I will check it manually.
रेनू
मैम
मैम आई हैव
स्पेलिंग गलत नहीं है खाली कैपिटल स्मॉल का फर्क है
Ma'am, no problem. I told them I will check them manually. No problem.
ओके मैम
I have
और ये फोटो खींच के अभी भेजना है मैम
number of the
हाँ, ma'am. I
radius,
have posted already in
showing
the
that answer only, but it's
Job
showing
reference.
my one wrong.
Anushka. Wait. If I'm talking to one child, you have to wait.
आयांश
Ayansh,
हाँ मैम
ma'am, assignment में मैंने post कर दिया. You can attach your work there.
ओके मैम अटैच कर दिया है अटैच कर दिया
Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in one question I have written the correct answer, but when I click on view score, it's showing that the answer is that only, but it's showing mine one wrong.
Which question number?
1 minute, ma'am.
Children, when you are writing about what is the radius, what is the diameter, when you calculating, only write the final answer with the unit.
Ma'am, it's question J and question K, the same thing as there.
Okay, let me check.
Question J and K.
Yeah, maybe you have written radius equals to, and then you have written the answer, or diameter equals to, then you have written the answer, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes or no, Anushka?
No, ma'am, I have written just 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. What is the answer?
So I will check it. I will check it manually.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dharya?
I'm saying there are the two same questions.
No, same questions. They are different.
I'm asked the length from the center of circle to its boundary is called, and there is one more like that only.
No, you try to understand the question, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you Ma'am, can you link?
Send the link again.
Yes, ma'am.
But why, Anvi?
Ma'am, I want to do that. So
But you have joined late.
no.
Then
Ma'am,
what is the reason, my dear?
Ma'am, I was doing like this. You have said no, you have to do in notebook. So I have
Yes.
written done
Oh,
first and I'm doing in the notebook now.
okay.
ma'am,
So you want the link again?
Yes, ma'am.
Link is there in the classroom also. No worries. I will post in the chat box again. It is there in the classroom. You can enter from the classroom also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Who was telling? Nick, you was telling something. Nick Italia. Nick.
ma'am, I was asking about that link only because of network issue. I left the meeting.
Okay. Now you got the link. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Fine. Children, tomorrow, 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. So there will be no holiday. Tomorrow there will be the regular classes.
Ma'am, tomorrow's my brother's birthday also.
Okay, fine. Wish from our side also. So tomorrow regular classes, no holiday. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Prisha, you just check what is given in the question. Prisha, you check the question what they are asking.
Yes, ma'am, I have written in the book only, so I am saying the 9 centimeter circle is not
So
fitting in the
just
book.
check what is given. 9 centimeter, what it is diameter, or it is the radius, or what it is given, and how you have to draw the circle.
Okay.
Okay. So meantime, I will take the orals for your tables. Anya Mittal is present here.
Ma'am, you got my work. I turned in your my
Yes,
work.
ma'am. Anya is there.
Anya, can
Anya.
you speak, please? Anya,
Ma'am, she has now left. Earlier
okay.
she was there.
I
Yes.
will check.
Just tell them not to leave the class. I think 3-4 students has left,
Yes,
ma'am.
they were 52, 53, and then they have left. Children, please, you have to be in your class till your class ends. I have noted many of the times you children log out before the time. If you log out before time, then you know what the teacher will do. She will block the link. You will not able to enter also next time. You have to be in your class till the class ends. Okay, the next child is
Ma'am, I have sent you the Google form.
my dear. I will check after the
Ma'am,
class.
I have attached the photo with in the assignment
Okay,
you gave.
fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, Twisha.
ma'am, I want to ask something about Google Form.
Mm-hmm.
If
Switch
some
on your
people
camera first. Your camera is on.
Yes.
Yes. Now tell me.
I want to ask something about Google Form. So
Mhm.
if people are doing that, I'll ask them.
No, ask. Tell me. Acha, you want to ask answer?
No, I have done the Google Form, but there is a mistake in that.
Tell me.
But if people will get the answers.
Okay, then we will discuss this later. Fine. Okay, now my next child is Aryaman Sanghai. Children, when I call the names, you all
Ma'am,
have to
he is not
listen.
there. Ma'am, he is not there. His camera is also off.
Okay,
Like he is there in the class, but
but his
no
camera is off.
camera. Yes.
Aryaman Sanghai, please switch on your camera. Aryaman, please switch on your camera.
Not answering, ma'am.
Yes,
Not
not us.
responding.
Yes. Okay, next is
Ma'am,
yes.
I have a doubt.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, my question number F is right, but
Which question number?
F.
F. Okay, let me
Yes.
check which question is the F one.
Ma'am, I also want to ask about F only.
Okay. Now tell me what you want to ask.
Ma'am, O1 and we have to uh, send the picture.
Yes, send the picture also.
Ma'am,
Yash, can we discuss the answers later on?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, where we have to send the picture of notebook.
Work is already posted in the assignments.
Okay, 10, 26. Ma'am, just now. I will attach.
10 minutes before. Please check. Dhyan Shillai. Dhyan.
Ma'am, that
My tables are left.
Yes, ma'am. I am taking randomly.
Excuse
So I
me,
will
ma'am.
call the child name and I will take the tables.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Dhyan is also not there. Dhyan, the camera is
Okay.
also off, not
Excuse
responding.
me, Renu Punjabi, ma'am.
Yes,
I
tell
have
me, Prisha.
out. So we have to make 9 centimeter diameter. So we have to take three. We have to make the circle.
Don't
Okay.
ask the answer.
I'm not asking the answer.
Yes.
I'm saying so we have to draw the circle. So the it is becoming the small size of the diameter, no? So of the radius. So I can't draw the perfect circle with the compass
Why?
because
Take the proper measurement.
the compass is squeezing in this. So the circle is not being perfect.
So you tighten up your compass properly
It's tight.
and take the measurement. You have not practiced at home.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vihan.
I am showing the example of how I have write answers in notebook.
No, my dear. Let them
Ma'am,
complete first.
no, ma'am, I am not showing the answers. I am just showing example how I have write in notebook. You say it is right or wrong.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, I will say in chat box.
Okay. Krisha, switch off your mic.
Ma'am, I have
Yes, yes. Now, yes.
Ma'am, so it is right.
Yes. Now, no answers in the chat box. No discussion regarding the answers. Ekansh. Ekansh is not there. Gunav. Gunav, switch on your
Yes,
camera and
ma'am.
mic. Gunav, you are ready with the tables?
Yes, ma'am.
Gunav, okay. Tell me table of 8.
8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 21,
8 3
8
the
8 3 24, 8 5
8 4 the
8 32, 8 5 8 5 40, 8 6 48, 8 7 56, 8 8 8 64, 8 9 72, 8 10 80.
Oh, okay, good. Next, Jahan Jariwala.
You have to write question and answer both of the CD, no?
In notebook?
Yes.
Yes.
Jahan, switch on your camera. Ma'am wants to ask the
Jahan
table.
Jariwala. Jahan Jariwala, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, I pin on him. He is not responding.
Jahan Jariwala, you are there in the class, or you want that I will remove you? Can you hear me, Jahan? Jishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Your orals are done, no?
Yes.
Yes. Next, Karnav. Karnav. Also
He's
left
not
the
there.
meeting.
Huh.
Left
Yes,
the
he is
meeting.
there. He is there, ma'am. He is there.
Ma'am?
Karnav, you are there?
Yeah.
Karnav,
Yes, ma'am.
table of 9.
9 1 9. 9
Jishna,
2
switch off
8.
your camera.
9
Switch off
3
your mic.
Yes, Karnav.
9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 20, 26,
26.
9.
9 3 are 26.
Yes, ma'am.
27.
Yes, ma'am. 9 3 27, 9 4
9 3 are 27.
9 3 27,
9 4 are
9 4
Karnav, which table you have learned properly?
ma'am, 13.
13. And 7 6, these all are,
13.
have you remember these all? 7 6 9,
No, ma'am.
and you directly learn the table of 13.
Yes.
Okay, but I told you to learn till 12. It's okay, good that you have learned till 13. But what about the remaining tables before 13?
Ma'am, I learned in 20.
No, I have to 15.
Till 15 you have learned, it's excellent. But what about the table of 8 and table of 9? From which
I
table to
have to
which
learn.
table you have learned?
Ma'am, I wrote till 20.
Jishna, just a minute. Let me talk with Karnav. Yes, Karnav.
I have not done 8 and 9.
Okay. Will you tell me the table of 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 nines are
12 eights
96,
are 12 eights are.
12 eights are 96,
Hmm.
12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120.
Okay. So you have to learn the tables before 12 also. Am I clear? 6, 7, 8, 9. That also
Yes,
tables you have to learn.
yes,
Okay. It's good that you have learned the bigger number tables, but you have to learn the smaller number tables also. Am I
yes.
clear, Karna? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Continue your test.
Vaidy, you want me to remove you from the class? Why you are sending the messages again and again after giving you so many times the warning?
हेलो मैम,
Yes,
ध्यान
ma'am.
दलाल
Tell
टू
me.
अदर। मैम ध्यान अपना वो ड्रॉ करना है, वो आपको पिक सिर्फ भेजना है कि वो
Done.
कुछ
Done.
लिखना
लिख
पड़ेगा
दीजिए.
वहाँ
Chat
पे?
box में there is a line is there, text line. They have to write done.
डन। और पिक फिर
मैम
बाद में आपको
असाइनमेंट्स में
भेजना है
प्रपोज
उसका?
कर चुकी हूँ, वहां पे पिक भेजना है.
ओके मैम, ओके ओके ओके। हाँ
Aryaman, what happened to your microphone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, now can I ask that
No,
mistake?
Twisha, let everyone complete it, or we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay. Question is right, but maybe some confusion in understanding. Okay.
Ma'am, my mom want to talk with Trisha.
Later on, after the class, because everyone are doing the CET. Your mom want to talk to Twisha, right?
Yes.
You switch on your camera first. You inform Twisha that she will be stay, so that you will able to talk with her.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, I have two doubts about the CET.
Yes,
In the
tell me.
CET,
Mm-hmm.
there were two questions that in first one there was an answer of radius. I have
Mm-hmm.
right R capital and the correct answer there is also R capital in
Yes.
radius.
Yes.
That's why my answer is wrong.
So I have given all the options for the correct answer. I will check it manually. Maybe you have done something wrong in between. Okay. I will check all the answers manually also and give you the correct answers.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got full marks.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Vihan Patel.
Very good. If child listen the instructions carefully, they will easily get the marks.
Yes, ma'am. And those who have done can leave.
No, still 4 minutes are there.
I got full marks.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhyan Dalal.
ma'am, I am telling that, ma'am, that circle one we have to give it now only.
Yes, full work. All the questions you have to do in the notebook and click picture and send it to me.
Okay.
Those who have completed, they
Excuse
please
me.
start sending me work on
Ma'am,
the
ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am, you have got. Ma'am, and ma'am, and in the question number F, ma'am,
Yes.
in question number F, why it is coming short? I we have to write to the. Ma'am, those who have done can leave.
No, stay. You please send me your work. Attach your work in the assignments. Vivan Balchandani. Attach your notebook work in the assignment.
Ma'am, I already. Ma'am, can I say?
Wait a minute, Ayansh. If Daria is speaking, after Daria you will speak. Yes, Daria. Kanak ma'am, you can leave. Thank you. Because your time will start for the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, my dear Dharya.
In the I question, wait a minute, wait. In the I question, I number there is a question. It's L, sorry, L. So in L
Hmm.
question, that was just notebook because it just find the code and all. So that I have
Yes.
to do. Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
all
you.
the questions you have to do in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am, when I say send the work in notebook, no, I not write question, just answer. It is okay
No, why you have not
and
written
send.
all the questions? Why you have not written all the questions? Please tell me and switch on your
Ma'am,
camera. Switch on your camera.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is too lengthy.
It is too lengthy. But my dear, you know the basic why I am telling you to send me the work on the assignments and write in the notebook. Because once you send me the Google form, you will not able to enter the Google form again. And you will not have a record of your work. So my basic thing is to keep the records in your notebooks. That is why I'm telling you to do in the notebook also and attach your work so that you also have work proof that you have done in the notebook.
Ma'am,
So if you
see.
have done only the answers, how you will know after the class, after 2, 3 days, or after a week, you will forget what will be the
Ma'am,
answer of this and what will be the question of this. Am I
ma'am,
right, Ayansh?
ma'am, see.
Rahil, if I am talking with someone, you have to wait. Yes, Rahil, switch on your camera and talk to me. Yes, children, those who have completed their work, they can leave and send me your work in my assignments. Please notice.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.